Hello, hello everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon here to share moving parts, minis, page folios, style 6. Let me share the original version. So if you guys remember, we made a set of folios in the 11 by 11 and now I resized these and remade them to 8 by 8. So I'm sharing a Halloween version in this 8 by 8 and oh, by the way, if you want to see the original, you can watch the video on YouTube. It'll be linked in the description box below. This paper collection, my friends, it is titled The Haunting. I have The Haunting 1 and The Haunting 2. Here I have a combination of the two in terms of just the embellishments. The papers is just The Haunting 1. Are you ready? Well, let's take a look at the back. Look at this. How darling the back. It's gorgeous. And the front, amazing. Are you ready? Look at this one. I really went to town with the embellishments here. It is just so fabulous. If you look at the original version, you can see why these are separate purchases because they are modeled after the original, right? Modeled after the original, but assembled differently, decorated differently. The decorating videos, all of the process videos are in your project folder. I went through step by step of all of the matting with you guys. I did not speed it up. Everything is there for you to watch. Um, and it was just such a blast. Can you fit 4 by 6 photos in here like in the originals? Absolutely. Let me show you. So this one, we've got, okay, so I just have to show you this because I can't. Enter if you dare. And there's the key, my friends, for you to enter. But I noticed that right here it says no. So enter at your own risk, my friends. So this is a removable photo mat. These are made for 4 by 6s, but I really wanted to do these up with the embellishments and go to town. So I left the photos for the inside. And then, of course, a little bit of photo here as well. So we did paper clips for a lot of these embellishments. Okay, that tucks there. This is a pocket card, and when you print 8 by 8, look at how the size difference in the pocket cards. How cute are these? Just really darling. So that goes there. I did a lot of layering of the embellishments, and it looks amazing. Another 3 by 4 there. So here is where you do the 4 by 6s. This is a full 4 by 6. Look at this glorious matting here. You can also, if you notice this guy here, there's a piece of acetate there. I really love this guy. So I wanted to take the opportunity to still give you an opportunity for a photo mat. So, and I take you through the process. So you can still cover this guy up if you want, and he'll be under the acetate. Your photo will be under the acetate. There we go. See that? Under the acetate. So I left it open so you can still put your photo there if you want to. But if you want my guy here, my new boyfriend's, there he is. He's still in there. Then this side opens up. Look at this. Still 4 by 6s, my friends. 4 by 6s. Check out the cauldron. 4 by 6s. All right. Start counting these because I'm going to pull them out. All right. 4 by 6s. There's here a 3 by 4. This closes up like so. Then there's a magnet there. Then this opens up for some more amazingness. Well, hold on. This is the way we do it. Magnet right there. Then here is the spell side. This pulls out for 4 by 6. This comes down. Look at this, my friends. 4 by 4. You can put a photo here if you want, but why when you have all of this room here and you can put pretty paper there? Oh, I forgot to take advantage of this pocket here and put something. There's a pocket here for 3 by 4s. Then this opens up for 4 by 4, 4 by 4. Look at that. There's that little broom. Sorry, 4 by 6, 4 by 6. 4 by 6s in these pockets. Look at this gorgeous matting. Look at that. That closes up. Did you hear that magnet? Love that. And then, if that is not enough, we open it up again. One more time, my friends. So I can't fit everything in the camera. So here we've got top loading, side loading for 4x6s. Look at that gorgeous matting. We have this fun little uh, tuck here where we have this clock. We have a little photo mat and a piece of candy, and then a paper clip with the 31 right in there. Then we have two more 4x6s with paper clip of the witch's hat. Some fun. Look at this matting here. How fun is that? I didn't want to cut any of this off, so I take you through the process of that signature cut in the process videos. And then this opens up once again to reveal this. Look at how gorgeous. So 4x6, 4x6, 3x3, two more. You can fit 4x6, but I just had this undercut mat here. Paper clip right here. And Faith is having a blast with the babies. I'm sure you hear them in the background. Forgive that. But listen, welcome to my home. All right. And then we have another little tug spot here. We have the feather paper clip. I'm sorry, 2x2 photo mat, and then one of the mini pocket cards. So this is a paper clip, but that just tucks right in there. And look at these embellishments, how fabulous. So that's it, my friends. Here is the reveal for Style 6. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about this paper. My sale is still on, so if you haven't purchased the Haunting 1 or the Haunting 2 or Style 6 in the mini moving parts, you may want to do so. Look at how gorgeous this turned out. Really, really gorgeous. I can't wait to read your feedback in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about it all. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time, I'll see you next time with Style 7.